Okay, this is the repair of the drawer box. This is probably a one-off made specifically for a person's routine. I want to point out some of the things that I have found on it. This top is gimmicked and it will move like that, and it will close off that hole. So it has something to do with the routine. The inside just has the receptacle in it with the two compartments. Now, I want to point out this is evidently a very old box, because it was made with horsehide glue, and over the years that will crystallize, and so what that happens, the joints break loose. And so I noticed over here that this front panel had loose joints on it, so I rebonded that, so that's good and secure now. Now this is a one operation box. In other words, it's not like the typical drawer box where you can do it over and over again without resetting it. So again, it's made for this, probably made for this routine. So you have the box, and you can show it empty. Now, you have to first, before you perform it, you have to unlock the inner box. And this is the tool that I made for you. Right there. Now, it's very simple. You see it's got a little curve on it. Curve is up. You just place it in there and just give it a slight, you'll feel it. Just give it a little slight push. And I got to put the camera down to show you that. Okay, so you're going to give it just a little slight push. And when you do, the inner drawer will be released, and it will come out like that. So this is probably how you start the trick off, which you load or cigar or whatever it is, and whatever the routine is, in the top of the box. When this moves in, it will automatically lock, and then the cigar will vanish. And when you pull it out, and you want to pull it out just so far to show that it's empty, because the drawer will come all the way out if you don't watch how you pull it out. But anyway, so when this goes in, and you can see how nice and how this moves nice and smoothly now. This will go in and it will lock, and when it comes out, let's get it to lock first. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so let me lock it. And then when you push it out, of course, it's empty. So there you are. And then again, to unlock it, you will just take this tool with the curve up like that, and just put it in there like that, and just push it slightly, and it will. You don't do a lot, just a little bit like that, and that will unlock it, and it will allow both drawers to come out. Again, it's a very fragile piece because of the glue that was used on it. But I've got it pretty solid right now, so you shouldn't have any problems with it as far as any of the joints opening up. Okay, that's it.